In order to replace a pattern, we will be creating a random pattern using the line submenu. So firstly, we will be creating a tracing and then we will extract that in order to create a pattern. To create the lines, single click to mark the first point, move your cursor till the length of the line that you want, click again to mark the second or the last point. In the similar way, draw a tracing. Now here I have created a random tracing. Now I will be extracting it into the pattern. For that, I will be using the extract pattern icon from the toolbar and will select the largest option, enter the name of the pattern that I want and click on apply. As I will hover on the tracing, it will be converted into a red green dotted line, and with a single click that tracing can be converted into a pattern. Now I will be creating another tracing, that is a curve, a 3-point bezier. Single click on any of the point to mark the first point of the bezier. Click again on another point to mark the second point of the bezier. Move your cursor a little bit to mark the curve. Click again to complete the bezier. Now I will be replacing the pattern. For that, either you can access the extract icon from the toolbar or you can access the draw menu and from there select the extract submenu and there you can find the option of replace. Give a name to the pattern. After it will get replaced, click on apply. Now select the point with a single click and select the second point that you want to get replaced. As you can see, the original pattern has been replaced with this pattern.